Installing double-hung windows in your Farmington Hills home can enhance its energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall functionality. Double-hung windows are popular for their versatility and ease of maintenance, making them a favorite choice for many homeowners. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of installing double-hung windows effectively and efficiently. Step 1. Gather necessary tools and materials. Before starting your installation, ensure you have the following tools and materials. Double-hung window unit, measuring tape, level, utility knife, pry bar, hammer and nails, screwdriver or drill, caulking gun and weatherproof caulk, shims, insulation foam, and safety gloves and goggles. Having everything prepared beforehand will save you time and minimize interruptions during the installation process. Step 2. Measure the window opening. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure a proper fit for your new double-hung window. Measure the width and height of the window opening at 3 points: top, middle, and bottom. Record the smallest measurement to determine the size of the replacement window. Double-check your measurements to avoid ordering a window that doesn't fit. Step 3. Remove the old window. To remove the existing window, follow these steps. Protect the area. Lay down drop cloths to catch debris and protect flooring. Remove interior stops. Use a pry bar or utility knife to carefully remove the interior stops without damaging them. You'll need these for the new window. Take out the sashes. Slide the upper and lower sashes out of the frame. Remove the frame. Detach the window frame by prying it away from the wall. Be cautious to avoid damaging the surrounding wall or trim. Dispose of the old window responsibly or consider recycling materials where possible. Step 4. Prepare the opening. Inspect the window opening for damage or rot. If you find any issues, repair them before proceeding. Clean the opening thoroughly and check that it's level and square. Use shims to make adjustments as needed to ensure the new window will sit evenly. Step 5. Install the new window. Now that the opening is ready, it's time to install the double-hung window. Apply caulk. Run a bead of weatherproof caulk along the exterior edges of the window opening. Position the window. Place the new window into the opening, pressing it firmly against the caulk to create a seal. Secure the window. Use screws to fasten the window frame into place through the pre-drilled holes. Check that the window is level and square as you tighten the screws. Insert shims. Use shims to fill any gaps between the window frame and the opening. Trim excess shim material once the window is secure. Step 6. Insulate and seal. Proper insulation and sealing are critical for energy efficiency. Fill gaps around the window frame with expanding insulation foam. Be careful not to overfill, as this can warp the frame. Once the foam has dried, trim any excess with a utility knife. Apply a final bead of caulk around the exterior edges of the window to seal out air and moisture. Step 7. Reinstall interior stops. Replace the interior stops that were removed earlier. Use a hammer and nails or a screwdriver to secure them in place, ensuring they fit snugly against the new window. Step 8. Test the window open and close the window several times to check its functionality. Ensure that both the upper and lower sashes move smoothly and lock securely. Clean the glass and frames to remove any fingerprints or debris from the installation process. Step 9. Final inspection. Conduct a final inspection to ensure all components are secure and the window operates correctly. Check for any gaps or areas where additional caulk or insulation might be needed. Conclusion. Installing double-hung windows in Farmington Hills is a rewarding project that can enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By following this step-by-step guide, you can ensure a smooth installation process and enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come. If you're unsure about tackling this project on your own, consider hiring a professional installer to guarantee top-notch results. Transform your Farmington Hills home with beautiful, functional double-hung windows that meet your needs and reflect your style.